Hello guys, good afternoon. Let's drink tea. It's cloudy outside today. It's not too hot. Almost 5 o'clock already also. Anyway, how are you everyone? Almost night time. The Thursday is already almost finished. Tomorrow is Friday, weekend again. See, I'm here in the living room. The sun is not too hot today. A little cloudy outside. I'm drinking my tea. I let it cool down a little bit because last time my tongue is burning because of the hot temperature of the tea. Anyway guys, I hope you have a great day today. I hope everyone is okay. I'm in the living room. We have a plant, but the plant is not growing big because it's in the inside the sun cannot no sunlight. They don't have sunlight. It's inside the house. And now also it's very hot outside. If we put in the balcony, the plant will die also. It will gonna dry up. Anyway guys, how are you everyone? And how was your holiday? In Philippines is already night time. I'm sitting in the living room while drinking the tea. I just finished ironing the clothes. My hand is very dry because always wet with water. I like this background because there is a heart flying in my around me in my video. This is my favorite background in my video. The heart is flying everywhere. Anyway guys, that's all for now. If you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave ako dito suggestion. And of course, don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye. Happy Thursday everyone.